I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann.
And we are continuing with the Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease Cookbook recipes. Today we're doing one that's a little bit of a jazz Ann style riff off of the Fast Pasta and Greens on page 238 if you're following along.
So I got the idea from this recipe when Engine 2 came out with their amazing ravioli. And they come in 4 different flavors, and my favorite is the butternut squash and kale, although I love them all. So it takes 4 minutes to have a total meal if you use these raviolis. I keep it in our refrigerator, so I always have a meal that I know I can do in no time, but this is the trick. So I have water boiling on the stove, and it just so happens that yesterday I used the whole head of the broccoli, and the big fat stem was left. And so I cut these pieces of broccoli up into little slivers. And I am going to add these first to my boiling water over here.
I had no idea she was going to bring broccoli
then
stems.
We are going to add a whole bunch of kale. We're going to sort of strip it. Now, you could, if you had time, add the stems too, but
all right, so
today we're not.
This is all chopped up.
And so
this is a whole bunch.
Big bunch of kale. So we're gonna, don't cut me, get the extra. So here it goes into the pot. And now water's boiling. The stuff, the greens are in the pot. Because at least for us, now maybe for all of you it's not the same, we love to have our kale cooked about 5 or 6 minutes.
Just so it's really soft and you can chew. It's not as soft as boiled spinach, but just so it's not an effort.
So here is the engine. I'm going to put in the butternut squash and kale. This other one here is roasted vegetable, but I think for now I'm just going to put in one little container.
That's really frozen.
It's frozen. Oh gosh, are these good. And in these go for 4 minutes.
I'll set the timer.
For 4 minutes.
Ready? Push them under. They're floating above the greens. All right, start. Ready, go. We've been doing jumping jacks in our warrior poses, and now the oven is telling us that it's done, or the stovetop.
Now,
so we have to drain it. I'll drain it.
The thing is, cooking this Engine 2 ravioli, which is only available at Whole Foods, unfortunately, is just wonderful to have on hand for a fast 4-minute meal. And you can add all the vegetables you want, but it is so fun to do this. And my husband likes sauces on it, so the Engine 2 pasta sauce is wonderful. I personally love it just eating it plain. And
here it is. It's a lot. The ratio of greens to
it's mostly greens because usually I have 2 pastas, but look, it is so lovely. And these little pastas are amazing. Amazing. This is the way to eat.
So should we pour some sauce on it?
No, I think it should be just plain. But then if you have to have sauce, you can. But you really feel the deliciousness of these little babies. They're butternut squash with kale. Oh.
They look like yummy little pillows.
Oh.
Let me taste that.
Huh.
Well, cheers.
So
Tell us how you make your ravioli. That is really good.
It's good.
Wow. Bye-bye.